So in order to get Disney Plus 7-day free trial, it's actually very simple. So the first thing you need to do is go to disneyplus.com, and I'll leave a link in the description. If you are on mobile, the same method still applies, so carry on watching. So when you get to disneyplus.com, you will be immediately greeted with a couple of pricing options. Now these pricing options will be slightly different depending on where you are in the world, but they will be very similar. Now if you do want your 7-day free trial, the only option to go for is to click on the first pricing option and click on Start 7-day free trial. So once you're on the next page, you need to enter in an email that you have access to, and you're going to be using this email to sign up to Disney Plus. So once you've entered in your email, you can choose whether you want to receive special offers, and then go ahead and click on Agree and Continue. So once you're on the next page, you need to go ahead and enter in your password, and it needs to be a minimum of 6 characters with at least one number or special character. And once you've entered in your password, you want to go ahead and click on Continue, and make sure you double check your email is correct. So once you've done that, you'll be greeted with the third and final step, and that's to enter your payment information. Now you will still receive your 7-day free trial, but if you do decide you want to stay on Disney Plus and you like the service, you will be automatically billed after 7 days. So if you don't want to be billed, you will need to cancel your subscription before the 7-day free trial ends. So make sure you cancel it before this date shown here. So just go ahead and enter your billing information and go ahead and click on Agree and Subscribe just at the bottom of the page. So once you've entered in your billing information, you should be taken to the disneyplus.com streaming service where you can start watching movies and TV shows straight away. However, if you was not signed into your account automatically, you need to go to disneyplus.com and click on Login just at the top right of the screen. Now, if you did sign up to Disney Plus on a mobile device, you will need to go ahead and download the Disney Plus application to start streaming movies and TV shows. And that is all you need to do to sign up for Disney Plus and get a 7-day free trial. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass it on to someone who may find it helpful as well. You can support the channel by donating to Coffee with the link below. Thank you for watching and have a good day.